Hi, this is Y Square, and this is a new series that I'm starting, which is to upcycle fabric from 40 years ago. So I had this idea when I came across boxes and boxes of fabric when I was doing spring cleaning at my grandma's place. I had no idea how long the fabric were there, but when I asked my grandma, she said the fabric was probably 30 to 50 years old, and I could do whatever I want to them. I planned to do something with them. I didn't know what yet, and I'm not sure it was even feasible because old fabric, they might just crumble and disintegrate when I'm sewing. Who knows, right? Anyway, I brought them home and they were just kind of sitting at a corner until I went through them and found a box full of pieces of denim fabric, which I thought, yeah, I think that's a great one to start because denims are more durable, right? And hopefully they're gonna cause me less problem when I'm sewing. And of course, I was thrilled because we all know denims are expensive. I then recalled that I came across a tutorial video on a denim patchwork jacket on YouTube a few months ago, and I thought that these pieces of denim fabric would be perfect for that project. So let's go! I started unboxing the fabrics and boy was it dusty. I found denims of different sizes and colors, and I knew these would be perfect for a denim patchwork jacket. And I started sorting them out by colors and picking the color scheme that I like. Then the very important step of washing them because I really don't want any skin allergies. Alright, I'm filming this to show you how crazy the color of the water that I washed the denim is after soaking it for 2 days. It's gross. It's really gross. Here. Ugh, just look at that. So gross. This is just, it's muddy water or something. And I'm not sure. Maybe part of the color is from the discoloration of the fabric. Yeah, maybe because it's a little greenish. I don't know what's going on. Gross. That's how long the fabric has been around. Just sitting in the boxes collecting dust. I then pick a suitable jacket to trace my pattern from. And begin tracing. I'm gonna make the jacket a bit longer, covering my hips. So with this cropped jacket, I will alter accordingly. And all paper patterns are ready to go, as well as the denim pieces that I washed, dried, and pressed. Next, I begin making a patchwork on the paper pattern, making sure the patchwork is big enough to cut out the pattern. This is certainly the most fun part in the entire process because it's all random and free, just letting my creativity flow. Before sewing, I pin the patches together and bring it to the machine. I sew the patches together with some raw edges showing and some with the seam turned in. This is to allow the raw edges to fray while keeping others neat. And the patchwork is done. Cut out the paper pattern from the patchwork. And here you go, the jacket back. I did the same to the jacket front, pockets, and sleeve. As for the colors, I want it to be a solid color, so I cut out my color piece from one single big enough denim, and same goes for the cuffs. I then attach the jacket front and back together. and the sleeve to the jacket. The sleeve turned out a little long, so I trimmed it down and attached the cuffs to them. Then the colors and the hem. Next, I marked the buttonholes and sewed them accordingly. I then hand sewed the buttons I picked for this jacket. And just when I thought I was done, I realized I forgot the pockets. So here's the left pocket and the right pocket. And voila, my jacket is complete. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like the denim patchwork jacket that I made. And I just checked the weather. It's 32 degrees Celsius outside right now, and that's the weather all year round in Malaysia. So will I ever wear this jacket? Probably not.